Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TaskRabbit, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser or launching the TaskRabbit app on your device. Navigate to the TaskRabbit homepage. Look for the Become a Tasker option prominently displayed on the screen. Click on that option to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to select either to sign up using Facebook, Google, or your email address. If you choose to use email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. You will need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from TaskRabbit. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account. Once verified, return to the TaskRabbit website or app. Log in using your newly created email and password. You will be guided to complete your profile setup. Fill in the necessary personal information, including your name and location. Add a profile picture that represents you professionally. Select the services you wish to offer as a tasker. Review the list of available categories and choose those that match your skills. Set your hourly rate based on your experience and the market average. Provide a brief description of yourself and your expertise in the About Me section. This is your chance to showcase why potential clients should choose you. After completing your profile, review all the information for accuracy. Once satisfied, submit your profile for approval. You may need to undergo a background check as part of the registration process. Wait for confirmation from TaskRabbit regarding your profile status. Once approved, you will receive a notification to start accepting tasks. Log in regularly to check for new task opportunities. Remember to maintain your profile by updating skills and services as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.